is the time to shine. With the 2022 Audi RS7, a beautifully bold bodywork and surprisingly refined ride. Heavier than its predecessor, refinement tempers its rawness. Higher in price than the more practical RS6 Avant, the 2022 Audi RS7 remains one of the sublime oddballs in the automaker's lineup. Simply a super high-performance hatchback. The long, swoopy sedan body makes a compelling and practical alternative to traditional cabin and trunk sedans. Highly audacious and luxurious. Standard for extra safety and confidence. Comes with plenty of features that buyers will appreciate. Its power comes from a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 that pairs with a 48-volt hybrid system. Also with 8-speed automatic transmission and Quattro all-wheel drive. All these technology features make the RS7 heavier than the last generation model, featuring as much as 605 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. In spite of its 22-inch wheels, the 2022 RS7 features an optional adaptive air suspension that delivers a wonderful ride. The HD Matrix LED LED headlights with Audi laser light illuminate the road ahead. Its distinctly designed daytime running lights also help you stand out in a crowd. Its available carbon optic package features carbon fiber mirror housings and carbon fiber exterior trim elements. Together with optic exterior package and structured design wheels, all satisfying to drive, providing a relaxed and stable ride during everyday duties. With more than enough agility and steering feedback to satisfy those who enjoy driving. The RS7 interiors are better known for their solid build quality and worthwhile features. While this vehicle shares an interior design and passenger space with the regular A7, it also has some exclusive details and intriguing options. Its upscale materials are immediately recognizable. And the cabin is adorned with trim-specific logos and other unique accents. The standard front sport seats give you awesome leather upholstery. You can also reskin them with upgraded leather and ventilated cushions. Its back seat can fit 2 or 3 people depending on the chosen seat configuration. Its cargo area also offers 19 cubic space feet with the rear seats in use and 49 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The 2022 RS7 is also equipped with a snazzy infotainment system that operates via 2 touchscreens. It also comes with standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. Experience a beauty with a great sense of comfort. Experience a taste of luxury on the 2022 Audi RS7.